I'm back in Parliament after meeting with residents of the Bibby Stockholm. Their testimony was emotional and harrowing. The men I met said it felt like living in a prison. There's almost nothing for them to do on there except eat and sleep. Conditions are cramped, but their ability to leave the barge is restricted. They can only exit and enter at certain times, as they have to get a bus, they're not allowed to walk. They're searched not only on the way in, but also the way out. It's time-consuming, and it's humiliating. Some of the people on there have never seen the sea before. The motion of the boat keeps them awake and makes them feel unwell. They told me of their difficulties accessing timely medical care, insects in their food, and poor treatment by undertrained staff. They said that lots of people on the barge have mental health problems, and that's not surprising when you think about what they've already been through, and now the conditions that they're having to live in. I met someone who told me that he'd experienced torture, despite the government's own guidance stating that torture victims should not be housed on the barge. There has already been one reported suicide. I fear that it will not be the last. The Bibby Stockholm must be shut down. The residents I spoke to were also clear about their priorities. They wanted their claims processed quickly. They wanted the ability to work so they can support themselves instead of being forced to rely on the state. And they wanted to live in freedom, not prison-like conditions. I will be fighting for these demands in Parliament and for an asylum system that treats people with dignity and with care.